have the web application where we can choose the production type. If you want to see only the oil production leases or also the gas production leases. We can also filter by counties very quickly. We can see that the plot updates when we select a different county, and we can also do the same for operators. Right, and we can also change the time from which they have started producing. And also here below we have the bar charts where we can see what are the top producing oil leases within the oil commodity or gas. Also here we can have the top producing operators for oil and gas, which allows us to explore the data and to select the data appropriately for the prediction step. Here we can go to the prediction step and we will choose oil to forecast, and the app automatically selects the last number of wells that had the last production in the previous selection from the Explore tab. We will run this for 36 months, and then we will see the results of the time series analysis. So here we have the results of the time series analysis using the seasonal ARIMA with one exogenous variable, which is the number of wells. And here we can see that we have with a steady number of wells for 36 months, we have this forecast below with its confidence intervals. After the first training and the first run, we can specify a different set of number of wells and a different schedule, so the user can select different cases to forecast by using the append method here, and then the subsequent forecast will be very quickly, and you can see that we are able to model that behavior here in the app thanks to the time series model that we have selected.